Hi guys, welcome to yet another YouTube reading for all of you. This is Neelam and I'm back for all of you with another reading today. So today we are going to be looking at what does your person want to say to you. It's been a while that I did that question, and this is going to be with my channel deck, the messages that I have. I'll also be using tarot cards to see a little more deeper, and if I'm pulled to any other oracle to see something for you. So please remember while watching this, guys, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. So I haven't picked up anything today. So I want you to pick crystals today. All right. So crystals are up for sale, guys. Also, you can follow my Instagram on mishyblue_merchandise. The link will be given down in the description box, so you can go and check that out. Any kind of information that you need around crystals, you will find there, and a lot of nice conversations as well. All right. So, okay, let's begin the reading. I have 3 crystals, and I think you guys are familiar with it. The first one is the fluorite. Okay. Second one is the amethyst rock. And the third one is labradorite flower. Okay. So you can pause the video, meditate over your situation that you're looking guidance for, think about your person, and go ahead and pick one pile, pick one crystal. You can be attracted to more than one crystal, that's not a problem. All right. So I'll pause for 2 seconds. All right. So let's begin with pile 1, the fluorite. Just give me a minute. Okay, pile 1 is the fluorite. So let's see. What does your person want to say to you at this point? Let's pick up some messages as to what exactly is going on. What do they want to say to you right now? How did we get here? Let's see one more. I do miss you. Okay. So right off the bat, guys, I think there is a scene of some sort of a separation here. Maybe you guys are not talking that much, or maybe there is a break in the communication. Maybe there are certain things which haven't been communicated really well at this point, and you both could be struggling in that dimension. This person wants to tell you that they're thinking about you and they miss you. All right. They're also a little muddled up in their head as to how did you guys get here. Maybe the conversation that the two of you had went really off track, okay, which they weren't expecting, and it happened that way. Okay, it happened that way. It's not that they are counting faults, they're just a little amazed as to how did this happen. Let's pick some tarot cards to see a little more deeper here. What do they want to say to you, and what is this about? The Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, things just drastically changed, okay? And now they're expecting it to become better. That's what they want to say to you. Maybe there is a pause and they're not talking. 9 of Swords. Yeah, this whole situation is not letting them be at peace. They want to really sort this thing out. They want to work on it, and they are waiting for the right time to talk to you, because I feel that at this point they feel confused that whether the situation will work out or not. And if in this situation they reach out, then things might just become even more worse. Okay. So it can go out of hand. So maybe they are at a pause for some time. They are waiting for things to calm down and they are very hopeful that it will calm down. I can see that energy. All right. So this person seems to be optimistic and they are at this point kind of confused that how did all of this happen? Like out of nowhere. Okay. Sorry, guys. Let's see what else do they want to say to you. I saw the card, I'm trying, but let me see what else do they want to say to you. Life partner. I'm not done with you. So could be this person already could be married or has some issue at this point, but they are still not able to let go of you. All right. I'm seeing that they wish that you could be their life partner. Okay. They're not done with you. This person is not letting you go anywhere at this point. Actually, even if they want, they cannot. That's what I'm seeing. What else do they want to say to you? This person is kind of not done, and I feel there is a lot left between the two of you. It's not yet over, even if there is a pause. I think it'll come back again in 2 months or something like that. What else? Two of Cups. I said 2 months. See, this person is waiting for a time when you are calm and they are calm and they would want to talk to you about it. And the Hermit. So see, there is lots that they want to express, but they're scared. Okay, there is fear of making it worse, and they want to work on it. Even if I do sense a third party vibe here. Maybe they're married or you're married, something, or there is some situation. It could be work also, guys. You would know what the third party is. See, third party always is not a relationship, it can be anything else also. So I'm seeing whatever it is, irrespective of that, this person really wants to work on things. Okay? Because they feel genuine love for you and there is a change that has occurred in them. Look at this. 2 cards of massive transformation in them. They have changed for good. They are understanding their faults, they are understanding the mistakes, and they want to work on them. They're not letting it go. Alright? Let's see what else do they want to say to you. Would you still love me if you knew this? I am scared to express. So there is a truth which they are scared to say or talk about. There is something, okay? And maybe that's what holds them back. Maybe that's the energy that they are scared to come forward for. Excuse me, guys. I'm sneezing, so I think maybe there are times when this person really wants to say it, but they're not able to do it. All right? This person is conflicted. Maybe in the past they've had a very bad experience, and maybe if they share that with you, they feel that okay, you might walk away from them, and they don't want to do that, or they don't want to witness that sight at all. They're scared. Okay, 1 minute. What else do they want to say to you? Six of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Four of Swords. This whole spread is just constantly telling me one thing, that this person wants to balance things out. They don't want to let you go with the Four of Pentacles here. They don't want to lose you. This person wants to wait for the right time so that they can balance things out between the two of you. They are just terrified to lose you, because I had the Nine of Swords right in the beginning as well. They're terrified. They're terrified of the thought of losing you, or maybe you guys had some verbal fight which kind of made them feel that things will never work out. They're scared. They're scared to lose you at any cost. This person wants things to work out between the two of you. By hook or by crook, that doesn't matter. This person really wants to work on things with you. Alright? Now, let me just see what is the advice for you, because this is what they want to tell you. The pause is not because they have forgotten you. The pause could be, if at all there is a pause, the pause could be because they are thinking that if they reach out to you now, it will lead to another blow up, which they don't want. So they could be waiting for the right time. Let me see an advice for you. What is the advice for pile number 1? Be receptive. The yin energy asks you to be receptive. And yes, stick to your ground, whatever you want from this connection. It's not wrong for you to wait or, ask for something here. You can, okay? But provided you are not being extra demanding with this person. This person is not bad, all right? This person wants you, but it's just gone a bit out of their hands, the situation. And they will again fix it once things fall into place. They will again fix it. So you got to be a little patient, because with the yin energy, that's what I'm seeing, that this situation has to go through a change, a transformation, where you have to wait for this person to become more awakened to certain things. And they are getting that clarity, and they will become more awakened. That is the message that I'm getting. And they don't want to lose you, okay? Maybe they have paused so that things just kind of become a little better between the two of you. Okay, pile number 1. So that is what I have for you. You can follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there. Just in case if you're interested. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care. I hope this gives you the clarity that you're seeking. Bye. All right, let's move to pile number 2, whoever chose the amethyst. So like I said, today I haven't picked any cards. We directly dive into the messages. What does your person want to say to you? Let's see. I'm a player. You make me feel alive. I'll explain everything. Let's wait. The waiting game. Let's wait and the waiting game. Alright, so this person is... Alright, so pile 2. Your person is a little stuck. All right, they've had a certain kind of a mindset. They've not ever had a permanent partner, and I think that is there in them. They're not really sure of how to proceed and what to do exactly. They feel alive with you, and for more, as in for more to come in, there has to be a waiting game here. All right, this person right now is definitely not ready for a committed situation, because they have not been in that space for very long. Okay, they don't know how to react or what to do when things like this happen in your life. This person wants you, but right now they cannot commit to you. That's what they want to say to you. Okay, but with the waiting game card, there is hope. Now it depends if you want to be hopeful or you want to let it go. It entirely depends on how you want it. All right, let's see what else does this person want to say to you. What is this about? The Hanged Man, Queen of Cups. I knew it. The Wheel of Fortune. So you are the person, or you are the one who's going to awaken this person from inside. They're stuck. They're fighting. 7 of Wands at the bottom. This person is stuck. Okay? Or you stay in a certain energy for a long time, and then after that you have to break free from that, because see, in life one thing is constant, and that is change. I think today's Instagram reading really resonated, as in I talked about change, so you can check that out. It's Mishi Blue Tarot official, Mishi Blue Tarot _ official. So you'll check out my readings over there. Link is given in the description. This is basically, I'm seeing that you have some magic in you which will help this person break free from this player energy. See, it's not wrong, and I don't think anybody is a player in this world. People are seeking. This is, I've written it here. This is my channel, like it came to me and I wrote it because people perceive it in that way. If somebody wants to even say it, they're going to say it in that way, but that is not the truth. The truth is, if someone's a player, they are seeking something permanent. Until they don't find it, they keep moving from one place to another. And that is what is happening here. All right. This person is constantly trying to seek something. And now they are on a pause after that, after the point they've met you. Your charm has mesmerized them, but they're still not ready to accept it that they are mesmerized. Okay. So they're keeping it all inside themselves at this point. Okay. They are waiting. There is some change happening, because I have the waiting game and the Wheel of Fortune. There is some change happening in them. But it's a fight within themselves. They're trying to understand who they are. Okay, it's not so easy. They are trying to understand who they are, what they are, and how should they proceed, or what should they do in this situation, because it's a very alienated kind of a feeling. All right, let's see what else. I do miss you. There you go. I can't do this right now. I can't break this connection. I told you it's a conflict within themselves. They can't be in it. They can't break free from it because it is strong. Okay, it is very strong, and this person cannot let go of you at all. This person just can't, because the energy is so strong. The feeling is so strong that they are really pulled towards you. Okay, the pull is very magnificent. This person really wants to be with you. Okay, they want to be with you. But the point is, again, the commitment part of it is scary because they haven't done this. Let's see what else do they want to say to you. Strength. 10 of Cups. 6 of Swords. They feel the happiness with you, but then their rigidity comes into picture. Either I am the Emperor or I am the King of Cups. With the Justice, you decide. It's high time. I don't know. I just channel that, so I'll tell you whatever I channel. This person has felt something with you which is very different, okay? And now they're trying to run away from it because it is not their nature. So they are very conflicted in terms of knowing that, can I even do this? Okay, is it even possible? Like, I don't know. Can I do this? Because I am an emperor and suddenly I feel like the King of Cups. It is weird. I understand that feeling. He or she, whatever this is, this person is very used to being in control, rigid, my way. I can control myself, but now things are going out of control. Their emotions have developed, which is very different, but still they're not expressing it. The King of Cups never expresses their emotions. but they have emotions, and this is very unlikely of them. They're not usually very expressive, and this is happening at divine timing sort of a thing, because I have the justice here. So this person now has to go through this upheaval in their life. They have to experience this. Okay, let's see what else does this person want to say to you. I'm amazed how wonderful you are. I need some time. I saw this card right in the beginning while I was shuffling. So, this person does. Okay, let me just clear a couple of doubts because I'm channeling that. This person doesn't hate you. This person has a lot for you. They respect you, they like you, but it's kind of overwhelming, and they're not ready for this at this point. That's why they need some time. It's not that there is something wrong with you, it's just that they're not ready for this change to come about in their life. They're not ready. Okay, they're not very convinced at this point, they're not very sorted in this point to actually make it happen. This person definitely needs time. Let's see, what else do they want to say to you? I saw the Page of Cups, but let me see if that comes back again. The Hermit, yes. They are in a very strong, contemplative and thinking mode. Six of Pentacles and the Ten of Swords. So I see this person in a very contemplative state of mind, okay? They're not being able to balance their thoughts. I think they are trying to keep themselves busy working. But again, this thought about you plays on their mind, is going on with them because they can't let go of you. They can't let go of you because the love is very strong, the emotions are very strong, all right? I see that this person is constantly evolving in terms of experiencing certain sort of feelings, okay? Because those feelings were not very much there in their life before. They haven't, I mean, constantly I hear this, that they haven't felt like this before. So this person is evolving, all right? So let's see. I mean, pretty much I see here that this person respects you, but the whole feeling is very overwhelming at this point. So they could be not ready for a commitment, but they still don't want to lose you. So they need some time. Now it depends on you if you are willing to give them that time. Let's see what else is the advice for you in this situation. Pile 2. To the sea, between worlds. I think you are you too are confused whether you want this enough or you don't, or whether you should leave it behind or be in it. So don't have to take any decision right now. Now is not the time to decide. Let it be. At least for this whole month, you don't have to decide. Relax, take a deep breath. I think October and November is the time when you need to take a call. That's what I'm seeing. The timings can be general. I mean, because this is a general reading, whatever I pick up, I'm telling you. Maybe the timings might differ, but if the energy is resonating, you would know. All right. So I see that don't have to decide right away. Just leave it for now and move on. As in be in an energy of hold. All right. When you have an offer, or I'm sure you don't right now because this person needs time. So the decision making is not so mandatory right now. All right. So that is what I have for you, pile 2. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with your situation. And you can follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3 card readings over there, just in case if you're interested in daily energy, collective energy check-ins. So take care and bye-bye. All right, so let's move to pile 2, whoever chose the labradorite flower. Let's see, what does your person want to say to you at this point? I haven't picked any cards today, it's just these messages. Okay, I saw a couple of cards, but let's see if they come back again. Why would you choose me? The waiting game. I am trying. I have never got what I wanted. Okay. A little bit of negative thinking here. This person has some issues. I think they suffer from a little bit of inferiority when it comes to you. Maybe this person is extremely confident otherwise, but when it comes to you, this person becomes a little underconfident. This person is trying to give you what you want. Okay? So you got to be patient with this person, and that's what they want to say to you. I am seeing that this person is a little negative minded when it comes to feelings and emotions, because they've probably seen some sort of a heartbreak in their past which has not worked for them, and it has broken them into pieces, and that's why they're not willing to take that risk once again. That is what I'm seeing here. Let's see, what else do they want to say to you? What is this about? Okay, I have 3 cards already. The Fool, the Chariot, and 6 of Swords. This person wants to have a fresh, clean slate with you, wants to begin things, wants to have you in their life. But there could be this energy that, I'm so sorry about the sound. There could be this energy that this person feels you want something, and at this point, this person might not be capable of giving it to you, but they want to try. They want to try so that they are happy, because they can't let you go, because the love or the emotions are so strong. This person just doesn't want to give up on you. Okay, they want to give it a clean slate, they want to start fresh. Okay, with the 6 of Swords, I see calm, composed energy of wanting to begin something once again, having the confidence as well with the Chariot. Okay, this person wants to begin something again, because I feel that, okay, maybe you are someone very talented, and this person thinks, why would you choose them? I mean, that's quite flawed, but yeah, usually it happens. If this is a man that you're watching for, then men usually want to see, why would she need me? It's very weird, but that energy exists. But of course, people understand with time. Okay, let's see. What else does this person want to say to you? Can we take it slowly? Yes, sure. What else does this person want to say to you? It all makes sense to me now. This person understands you, and there is a feeling of wanting to understand you. You still appeal to me. I'm not done with you. So this person really feels a strong bond with you. Okay, and they want to take it slowly ahead, and slow means they want you there in their life. It doesn't mean that they are, I mean, from a woman's point of view, I don't know if this is mostly women watching this file. From a woman's point of view, we always think that, why is this person not committing to me? All right, why is this person not doing this? But the idea is that for men, commitment comes very slowly. Okay, they're not sure in the beginning, then it takes some time, they give it time to see where is it going, how much can they do with it. So all of that will happen with time. This person doesn't want to lose you. They are trying to understand your point of view as well. Okay, and they want to take it ahead slowly. They're not finished with you. They want, I mean, so if this was a doubt that you had in your mind while watching this reading, so no, this person really wants to again fix things with you. They're not done with you at all. Let's see what else do they want to say to you. Nine of Pentacles. So this person sees you as abundance. Somebody who they feel very nice looking at as well. Seven of Swords. But they are hiding their feelings. Six of Pentacles and Justice. Yes. They are hiding the need, or probably on the face of it, this person might not show how much they want you, but you're like a star for them. You're like a wish. You appeal to them in a lot of ways, and this person really, really admires you for who you are. Okay? This person really admires you for who you are. This person wants to balance things out. It's not that. They even, I mean, with this Seven of Swords is not wickedness. I'm seeing that this person tried to go away because whatever happened, but still they couldn't because the energy was so strong. The pull was so strong. Alright? This person wants to sort it out because I feel there is some karma between the two of you, because the card I'm not done with you comes ahead again. Let's see what else. There you go. Your energy pulls me. This person is very pulled towards you. This love is crazy. I'm stuck. This person is stuck to you. I see that they could have tried to move away, but that just didn't happen. It couldn't happen. Okay? So this person probably has just given up. This person cannot let you go at this point. It's very sure. And it's kind of crazy for them because maybe they have I sense a back and forth energy in this connection. Let me see. What else does this person want to say to you? Page of Cups. The Fool. Justice again. It's time for you guys to start fresh. The King of Wands, and this person really wants to start things fresh with you. Okay, this person wants to begin things with you. This person wants to make it happen again. Slowly, not really fast, but slow. Because this person wants to be with you. This I can see. They want to explore this with you. A very strong energy. Ace of Swords. And they want to talk to you, I feel, because they find your energy to be very complementing to theirs, and it's nice. It's a nice feeling. Alright? So let's see what is the guidance for you, pile number 3 in this situation. Not for you. Oops. Let me clarify this. Time to go. Unfinished symphony. Okay, relax. This is not what I thought. That's why I clarified it. I'll clarify it again. What is not for you? The conflict is, I think the conflict is from your side. The conflict is not for you. Time to go. Time to go away from confusion. I think this time you guys are going to sort it out. Unfinished symphony. What is that about? There is some clarity coming in. Okay. This person will understand your value, and it's justice twice, so this person will get there. This has happened for a reason between the two of you, and the reason is that I think mostly the guy or the man in this connection has to understand something. Okay, and it is moving in a you guys could be soulmates. I see a lot of karma. So I see both of you growing together. All right, pile number 3. So that's what I have for you. I hope this reading resonated. You can follow me on Instagram. It's MishyBlueTarot_official. I do daily 3 card readings over there, just in case if you are interested. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. I shall see you soon again with more readings. Take care. Bye.